Hello dear viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will discuss with you water pollution, a full video tutorial. So please subscribe my channel Chemistry World. So let's start our topic, that is water pollution. In this topic I will discuss with you its definition, causes, effects and prevention. So first of all, its definition. What is water pollution? So, water pollution refers to the presence or introduction of harmful substances, pollutants, and contaminants in bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, oceans, and groundwaters. These pollutants can be in the form of chemicals, plastics, agricultural waste, industrial effluents, and other forms of human or natural waste that negatively impacts water quality and harms aquatic life. So, water pollution is basically the process in which the quality of water is disturbed and mainly cause the disturbance in the aquatic life and also cause many human diseases that is caused due to the polluted water. So, its definition. Next, we will see causes of water pollution. Water pollution can be caused by a wide range of human and natural activities. Some of the main activities and causes of water pollution include following one. First one is the industrial waste. Industrial discharge chemicals, toxins and heavy metals into the water sources, causing severe pollution. Industrial waste, we know very well that it contains toxic chemicals and heavy metals that cause the decrease in quality of water and cause many diseases in aquatic life and in the humans and cause water pollution. It is the main cause of water pollution. Next is the oil spills. Oil spills from offshore drilling and transportation of oil can cause severe water pollution and harms aquatic life. Yes, oil spills, we know that oil cannot be soluble in the water and it also float on the surface of the water and decrease the oxygen carry. And next is the agricultural practices. The use of pesticides, fertilizers, and other agricultural chemicals pollute water sources when they run off from farmland into the rivers and lakes. Yes, agricultural practices we know include the many fertilizer and pesticides that are harmful chemicals, and when they flow from farmlands to the rivers and lakes, they cause water pollution. Next is the domestic sewage and waste. Untreated sewage, trash and garbage from household can also contaminate water sources when they are when we waste our material and dump it into the lakes and it causes this. Then next one is the mining activities can release heavy metals, acid and other pollutants into the water sources, leading to the water pollution. So next we will see the effects of water pollution. What are the main effects that are caused by the water pollution? Main effect of water pollution include following. So first one is the human health impact. So water pollution can lead to waterborne diseases like cholera, dysentery and hepatitis A, which can be a fatal. Drinking contaminated water and consuming contaminated seafood can cause serious health problems. Yes, human health problems, we know very fatal diseases like cholera and hepatitis are mainly caused by the water. Next one is the ecosystem damage. Water pollution can harm aquatic plants and animals, leading to reduced biodiversity and loss of habitat. This can be negatively impact the entire ecosystem and disturb the food chain. By the water pollution, the aquatic plants and animals are disrupted and our food chain is also disturbed. Next one is the water scarcity. Pollutant water sources may be unfit for human consumption, so leading to the water scarcity and increased competition for the clean water resources because due to the shortage of clean water resources. So this is the another effect of the water pollution. Next is the soil contamination. How polluted water can cause the contamination of soil. Polluted water can also contaminate soil, leading to the reduced crop yield, posing a threat of human health. If we see the effects, then all of the effects are about the human health and the aquatic life. Next is the prevention. How we can prevent from the water pollution and how many combinations of rules and regulations that we follow. Prevention water pollution requires a combination of individual actions, government regulations, and industry best practices. First one is the yes, by the management of waste in a proper way, we can reduce the water pollution by ensuring proper disposal of household, industrial, and hazardous waste by using appropriate methods like recycling, composition, and landfills. This is the first. Next one is the reduction of chemical use. Minimize the use of harmful chemicals like pesticides and fertilizer that we use in the agricultural practices that cause the soil contamination. Is also by the reduction of these chemical use we can reduce the water pollution in this way. So this is the another prevention to prevent from the water pollution. Next we will see the another prevention of the noise pollution of the water pollution, that is the agricultural best practices. Encourage the use of sustainable farming practices like crop rotation and integrated pest management which reduce the use of harmful chemicals. Yes, best practices of agriculture that we use that are naturally, and crop rotation that reduce the use of harmful pesticides and fertilizer can also reduce water pollution. Next is the water conservation. Reduce water use by fixing leaks, using low flow fixtures, and harvesting rainwater is also very suitable for the removal of the water pollution from our environment. These are the best practices to remove the water pollution from our environment. In this topic, we see the definition, its causes, effects, and its prevention. So this is the whole topic about the water pollution that contain its definition, main causes, main effects,